We're here to show you some super fruit cutting techniques. Are you guys ready? There is more than one cutting technique that you can use for plate decoration. Mixing fruit and vegetable is always a good idea. Do you agree? We love the colors of this plate. This dish is served with full flavor and vitamins. Getting more and more creative with food decoration is what you will find in this video. Looks so yummy. These ideas aren't just creative, but they're very delicious too. Tomatoes on top and voila! We love it. Cutting a watermelon can be tricky sometimes, but not when you follow these steps. This is such a beautiful cutting technique. How about another amazing idea next? When it comes to getting dinner on the table, food decoration is a very important part of this process. These trimming techniques will make you super chef. Tell us about your cooking skills. Thank you for watching.